Welcome, everybody, to another fantastic episode of TechFlix. My name is Joe Marquez, your friendly neighborhood EdTech coach, and I'm here to show you how to utilize our common sense digital citizenship cafe menu. That's right, I've created a menu for you to allow you to push forward any lesson on digital citizenship for your grade level. So I want to walk you through the menu so that you can easily understand how to use it and provide your students with all the resources that it has available to them. So this right here is our digital citizenship menu. And this is our home screen right here. You can see we have first grade, second grade, third grade, kindergarten. Meet the Digital Citizens, which is meant for small, short lessons for kindergarten through second grade, fourth grade, fifth grade, and sixth grade right here. All you have to do is click on it, and it takes you to your very own menu for your grade level. Now, I want you to know that every single one of our menus has two required lessons that we have to give our students during the course of the school year. The top one should be done within the first month of classes, and it's basically going over the proper use of technology, how they're supposed to treat district equipment, and the things they are allowed to do on it and the things they should not be doing on it. This is a very simple lesson. It is done all through either Nearpod or Google Slides, and it will walk you through it. These are ones that you can do no problem. Let me show you really quick. All you do is click on it. It opens up the template. You can kind of go through the template here if you want to see how it looks. And then when you're ready, you can select Use Template right there. And once you select Use Template, it will then it will give you the slide deck, put it in your Google Drive, and allow you to use it whenever you want to be able to go through this with your students. I have provided on each one of these slide decks a link to the Nearpod if you want to do Nearpod, which I highly recommend. But if you're not familiar with it, I can come in and show you how to use it. It's a fantastic tool for engagement and understanding. And also, it has a link directly to the notes that the district has provided us on the objective and the materials and the vocab, everything that you need to know about our resources for what we are doing with our students. So the menu is meant to provide you as a one-stop shop for everything you need to do. The one right below it is our one required common sense media digital citizenship lesson. Every grade level has a different one, but I have told you which one right here, or mentioned to you right here, is the one that's required. And when you click on it, same thing. It gives you the link. You can select Use Template. And again, for every single one of these, you will have a link right back to the resources. And you will also have a link to the Nearpod. And again, I don't think I showed you this, but on each one, it has speaker notes. So if you present this, like if I select slideshow right here, but I do it in presenter view, on every slide that you're going through this with your students, it provides a walkthrough of exactly what to say and exactly what to ask with your students. So you almost have a script ready to go for each and every one of these slides that you're going to be going through with your students. Right there, it's say, wow, there's so many amazing things we can do online. This is provided to you through the digital citizenship dashboard right here. And again, if I select home, it brings me right back to this home screen. So if I go to second, I see the required lesson and I see the required common sense lesson right here. I have no problem coming into your classroom and doing the second required lesson. Again, this first one, extremely easy. It's just a slide deck. You walk through the students on the do's and don'ts of using the tech in your classroom. I love the classroom teacher to give this one because you may have some requirements of the devices in your classroom, like how do they get their laptops out? How do they put them away? And I know many of us have already gone through those routines with our students, but this allows you to, again, reiterate that routine and how it connects to the district policy of student use of devices. But again, this second one down here, which I've already done for many of our classes in our different elementary schools, I have no problem coming in and doing this more in-depth one from Common Sense. But this first one, you can absolutely do it. If you need any help or instruction, I can come in and show that to you. When you are done with your lesson, I would love for you to provide me with pictures of you doing the lesson with the students or the students doing the lesson, and any artifact you can provide me. If you have the students maybe write out a quick blurb of what they learned. If you did a Nearpod, you can send me the Nearpod report of what you had done. For example, if I come over here to Nearpod, all of my sessions that I've done are here. And so if you select a session right there, it will allow you to select over here the report, the entire lesson report, and you can email that to me. Just select PDF and an email, just put joemarquez@cusd.com and it will shoot me the report. All you have to do is remind me what school site you are at, what grade level you are at, and what room you are at, so that I can mark that down. Don't worry, I will send you instructions on how to do all this in a follow-up email from this video. I just wanted to make sure you had a quick overview of our digital citizenship menu, and that every grade level has 2 required lessons that have to be conducted during the school year. This first one should be conducted within the first month of the school year, just so the students understand how they are responsible for the devices that the district is providing. Again, you know how to contact me. If you have any questions about any of this, please never hesitate to ask. So I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day.